Diabetes mellitus is also known as sugar. The person who is suffering from this disease usually have the symptom like more thirsty, frequent urination, weight loss, fatigue, etc. The specialty of this disease is when a person urinates, usually along with the urine, he urinates sugar also. Therefore, his urine tastes sweet. Since his urine tastes sweet, ants gather. Did you understand, children? Saying so, we'll enter into exercise 1.2 arithmetic progression, 12th problem. This 12th problem says 2 APs, how many APs? 2 APs have the same common difference. 2 APs have same common difference. The difference between their 100th term, difference between their 100th term, there means these 2 APs 100th term is 100. The difference between their 100th terms is 100. What is the difference between their 1000th term? We have to find the difference between their 1000th terms. Understand? Once again I will read out the question. 2 APs have the same common difference. 2 APs have same common difference. The difference between their 100th terms, the difference between their 100th terms is 100. This is the statement given for us. Okay, with this statement we have to find what is the difference between their 1000th term. Hint. What is the hint given here? The difference between their 100th terms is 100. This is the hint which we are taking. From this we are finding what is the difference between their 1000th terms. 1000th terms. Okay. Now if you have understood this question, we will extract some valuable parameters from this and then try to solve, try to know what is the difference between the 1000th term. Okay. Now see that how many APs are there? There are 2 APs. What is the condition of this AP? They have same common difference. 2 APs have same common difference. Common difference is the same, but first term is different. They have same common difference, it is set. So we will take D common for both the APs, but different first terms. Different first terms. If in one AP, if I take A as a first term, then I take B as first term in the second AP. Okay, but D as a common difference in both the APs. Understood? Okay. Now, first AP, I am forming the first AP. In the first AP, how many APs are there? 2 APs. In the first AP, let the first term of the first AP be A. First term of the first AP be A and the common difference be B. Common difference be. Now if you know first term and the common difference, you can form AP. That is first term according to definition. First term, adding D to the first term, you will get second term. Adding D to the second term, you will get third term. In this way, A plus D, A plus 2D. Like this, n number of terms we have formed here, and this is nth term. First term, second term, third term, and nth term. Did you understand, children? And as you can see in the statement given, the difference between their 100th terms, difference between their 100th terms is 100 is given. That means to say that in the first term also, in the first AP also, you should know 100th term, and in second AP also, you should know 100th. Okay. And then what is the difference between their 1000th term? Difference between there means 2 APs 1000th term also required. 2 APs 100th term as well as 1000th term also required. Okay. Now, what is the 100th term of this AP? A100. What is A100? A100 is nothing but according to formula A plus 90, which is required. Why? Because we have to take the difference. Now what is its 1000th term? 1000th term is A1000, which is nothing but A plus 999. This is the extraction from first AP. Now let's see the second AP. According to this statement given, 2 APs have same common difference, but different first term. Here I have taken first term as A, so I will take here first term as B. Therefore, let the first term of the second AP be B. Let the first term of the second AP be D. And the common difference be D. Common difference in both the cases, you can see common difference I have taken D only. You know why? It is because same common difference. It is said that two APs have same common difference. Understand, children? Now, first term and the common difference we have got. So we are forming AP. B is the first term. Add D becomes second term. B plus D, B plus 2D, and n term B plus n minus 1 times D. This is the general form of second AP. Now, what are the other things required? Other thing required is it's 100th term and it's 1000th term, because we have to take the difference. 100th term of this second AP is B100. B100 is nothing but B plus 99. 1000th term of this AP is B1000, which is nothing but B plus 999. Did you understand, children? Now, two APs we have got. We have framed two APs. 100th term of the two APs. 1000th term of two APs also is there here. Okay. Now, see here, the difference between their 100th term. Difference between their 100th term. Here in first AP 100th term is A100 or A plus 99D. In the second AP 100th term is B100 is equals to B plus 99. What is the difference between these two? Difference between these two 100th term is 100 is 100. That's what written here. Difference in mathematics, difference means subtraction. Sum, SUM, sum means addition. Product means multiplication. Ratio means division. Did you understand, children? Now, difference between their 100th term, their two APs 100th term is given. What is that? 100. I have taken A100 minus B100 is equals to 100. How I got this? I have got this by this statement. The difference between their 100th term is 100. With this statement, we have got this mathematical form. You know that what is A100? A100 is nothing but A plus 99D minus what is B100? B100 is nothing but B plus 99D. Maintain bracket because it is the two terms it is there here. Therefore, B plus 99D maintain within the bracket. Now, you have to multiply the whole with this minus A plus 99D minus into plus is minus, maintain B, plus B becomes minus B. Now, plus 99D, you are multiplying with minus, thus it becomes minus 99D is equals to 100. What we got is A plus 99D minus B minus 99D equals 100. Minus 99D plus 99D gets cancelled up. What is remaining is A minus B is equals to 100. Understand problem? Now, the difference between the 100th term is 100. We have solved here and we got the difference between what is A. A is the first term of first AP. B is the first term of second AP. So, A minus B is equals to 100 refer to difference between the first terms also is 100. Understand properly? We solved the statement difference between the 100th term is 100. Okay. After solving the difference between the 100th term is 100, we have got difference between the first terms is also 100. Understand, children? Difference between the 100th terms is also 100. Difference between the first terms is also 100. Okay. So we will keep this and then we will go to find now what is given here. What is the difference between the 1000th term? Okay, now come here. We will find what is the difference between the 1000th term. 1000th term of first AP is A1000. 1000th term of second AP is B1000. And you know that A1000 is nothing but A plus 999D minus, maintain bracket, B plus 999D. So if you remove bracket, you have to multiply with minus. Minus into plus B minus B minus into plus 999D is minus 999. minus 999 plus 999 gets cancelled. What is remaining is A minus B. We got A minus B. Understand properly? After finding the difference between the thousandth term, we got the difference between the first terms. The difference between the thousandth terms has become equal to the difference between the first terms. What we got the difference between the first terms here is 100. Therefore, we say that difference between the first term is 100. Understand very, very properly. Difference between the 100th term of the 2AP is 100. After solving that, we got difference between the first terms of 2AP is also 100. After solving this difference between the thousandth term of the 2AP, we got difference between the first terms, which is equals to 100. Therefore, finally, we will come to know that difference between the thousandth term of 2AP is 100 itself. Did you understand, children? It's very, very easy. 100th term, 100 difference between the 100th terms of the 2AP is also equals to difference between the first terms of 2AP. Difference between the thousandth terms of 2AP is also equals to difference between the first terms of the 2AP. Therefore, difference between the thousandth terms is equals to 100. Therefore, difference between thousandth terms is equal to 100. Understand, children?